Hello students, today we study about the editor. In this video, we study about the introduction of the editor, need of editor or purpose of editor, types of editor and structure of editor. So, definition of editor. Editor is an system software that allow user to create, edit a target document. A target document in the form of text, computer program, diagrams, pictures, tables or etc. Here some examples of editor. First is Notepad. Then VI editor for Linux operating system. Turbo C for C programming. Word processor and Notepad++. Need of editor or purpose of editor. First need of editor is creating a new document. Second purpose is insert or append element or data into existing document. Next, delete existing data as per requirement. Copy data from one place to another within document. Search data within document. Move data from one place to another place within document. Save the document into storage device and load existing document. These are the purpose or need of editor. Then next is types of editor. There are the 5 types of editor: line editor, stream editor, screen editor, word processor and structure editor. See one by one. First is line editor. Line editor means edit operation perform on that line. Okay. Line in a text document is identified either positionally means using line number or contextually means using unique text. Advantage of line editor is simple to develop and disadvantage is cannot perform edit operation on another part of line. Next is stream editor. In stream editor, view entire text as a stream of character. It perform edit operation to cross the line boundary. Supports character line as well as context oriented commands. Advantage of stream editor is edit operation can be performed on part of line as well as cross the line boundary. Disadvantages of stream editor is difficult to develop as compared to line editor and less user friendly. Then next is screen editor. Screen editor follow the principle what you see is what you get. Means display complete text on a screen and user can move cursor over it. Best example of screen editor is Notepad. Advantage of screen editor is more interactive and user friendly. Second advantage, effect of editing operation can immediately display on a screen. Disadvantages of screen editor is difficult to design and develop as compared to line editor and stream editor. Then next is word processor. Word processor is used specially as a document editor. Word processor having special features like page formatting, merging of text, search replace word in a text, text font and style, spell and grammar checking. Best example of word processor is MS Word. Then advantages of word processor is more interactive and user friendly, provide a GUI based platform, more popular because of their special features. Disadvantage is suitable for document editing and not suitable for editing a computer programs. Next is structure editor. Structure editor means combination of line editor, stream editor and screen editor. In structure editor, document or text is organized into a hierarchical structure which becomes easy to travel. A document has a hierarchical structure with different levels like chapter, section, subsections, paragraphs and etc. Then next is structure of editor. In the structure of editor, see the functions of editor. First function is traveling the data. Next is editing the data, viewing the data and display the data. Thank you.